Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you two different ways that I style my Telfar Melissa bag. I bought the bag in a size medium and I'm just pulling the straps from the inside. I'm going to be showing you the front of the bag. This is the tag attached to the bag. This is the bottom of the bag, side of the bag. And this is the back of the bag, and it has Melissa Telfar printed on the back. And then I am going to show you the inside of the bag. And as you can see, the inside does not have any pockets or snaps. So I have come up with two ways to keep your items safe and secure inside of your bag. My first way is with this pink pouch that I purchased at Burlington Coat Factory. It's just a pouch with a zipper so you can store your items inside of that and zip it up. And this will keep your items secure and private. Next, I will be showing you the second way that I style my bag, which is also my favorite way to style it, is with the dust bag that's included with your purchase. What I am going to do is begin tucking it in from the bottom. And guys, I have to tell you, I wore this bag out like this with the dust bag on the inside, and I received so many compliments, so I was like, hey, if they like it, maybe other people will like it too. So let me just post it on YouTube and see how it goes. So right here, I'm just making sure it's neat and flat. And I tucked it up until I got to the word Telfar. And I did that for a reason, and I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm just going to fold the sides over, and then I'm going to place this bag inside of the jelly bag. And I'm placing it in backwards. Okay, I'm just sticking the dust bag inside of the Telfar bag. And next I will begin sticking my hand inside of the dust bag to form a square shape so it will look just like it's attached to my Telfar bag. And next you will see the reason why I placed the dust bag inside backwards, and that's so the words could show through the back. Next, I'm just going to be showing you how the bag looks once I put a few items inside. I'm putting my makeup bag and a notebook and a change purse inside of the dust bag. Next, I'm just going to pull the string to the dust bag to keep my items secure. And you know, by using this dust bag inside of your purse, it really gives you a different look for your Telfar bag. And in the back, you can still see the Melissa Telfar sign from the dust bag, which gives it a unique look also. And then next, I am just going to place my cup inside of my purse because I'm a person that like to carry cups with me just in case I get thirsty. So you will see me placing my pink cup on the inside. And guys, if you could leave a comment letting me know what you think about this technique of using the dust bag inside of your Telfar bag. And for people who have the other color Melissa Telfars, I just want to show you how this technique with the dust bag will look inside of another color. I do have a black one also, so I'm just going to quickly show you how this dust bag looks inside of my black Telfar. And after that, my video will be complete. I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, please hit the like button. And to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And also, if you can, share my video. And I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.